Welcome to my new video. Today we will look at the lists in HTML. All is an unnumbered list. Only less than greater than elements can be inside. A dot appears in front of the items. But you can change it with the type attribute, which we'll show you right away. This is a list item. This is what this list will look like. If we put type equal to square, the resulting bullets will look like this. If we set the type equal to the wheel, the resulting bullets will look like this. We can also make nested lists that don't have the same bullets. All is a numbered list. Only less than greater than elements may be present inside. However, other tags may appear in the nested less than greater than tag. Of course, the numbers are added to the items by the browser, so there's no need to worry. Less than all greater than has the type and start attributes that have the same meaning as the type and value of less than greater than. But setting the same for each less than greater than has a higher priority. If we give a type equal to larger or small a, the resulting reflections will look like this. If we wanted Roman numerals, we had to put Roman type 1. Then the bullets will look like this. This will be everything for today's episode. Next time we will look at the tables in HTML. Adios amigo.